Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ram 1500 Revolution battery electric concept vehicle. A stunning vision of Ram's future and the future of trucks. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV Concept features all-wheel drive capability and is powered by two dedicated EDMs, which are positioned towards the front and the rear of the vehicle, maximizing interior space and enabling the cavernous frunk. And based on our new Stella frame platform, the Ram Revolution Concept features a body-on-frame design that efficiently incorporates the battery pack, allowing for new levels of flexibility.